Good morning and welcome. Uh, it gives me immense pleasure, joy, and pride to be addressing you on the World Cancer Day prior to starting this rally. I consider each of you a unique warrior who has had the fortitude and strength to go through this extremely difficult journey and emerge successful and be cured. And I thank God and have immense gratitude towards him for having provided me the opportunity to hold your hands during this extremely difficult journey. And I'm sure it was difficult many times of to be listening to some of the illogical advices that it would seem during the time that you were undergoing this difficult treatment. I am also thankful and grateful to God to have provided me with an extremely talented and dedicated team of doctors, nurses, and also the social work department for having helped the patient to undergo this journey successfully and help them during their financial troubles and other troubles too. So thank you, Lord, for the same. And I urge you all to continue this journey and be uh, helpful to other patients in the time when they would probably need your assistance to go through this journey successfully. Thank you.